Have you ever wondered which piece is the most powerful in chess? Well, let me introduce you to Her Majesty, the Queen. She's not just a royal figurehead. She's the ultimate powerhouse on the chessboard, and today, we're going to unlock her secret power. Imagine the Queen standing in the center of the board. Unlike other pieces that have limited movement, the Queen has the freedom to roam almost anywhere she wants. She combines the powers of two other major pieces, the rook and the bishop. This means she can slide straight up and down the board, just like a rook, covering entire files in a single move. She can also glide side to side, controlling the ranks from one edge to the other. But that's not all. The Queen also possesses the diagonal prowess of a bishop. She can zip across the board on the light squares or the dark squares, attacking from long distances and controlling key diagonals. So, whether it's a straight line or a diagonal path, if it's clear, the Queen can take it. She can move 1 square or 7 squares, as long as nothing is blocking her way. Let's see this power in action with a rescue mission. Imagine our brave knight is trapped on the far side of the board, surrounded by enemy pawns and looking like it's about to be captured. It's a dire situation. The rest of our pieces are too far away or blocked. Who can save the day? The Queen, of course. From the other side of the board, our Queen sees the trouble. First, she makes a long diagonal move, zipping across the board to a safer square, positioning herself for the rescue. This move alone changes the entire dynamic of the game, putting pressure on the opponent. Now, from her new post, she spots a direct, open line to an enemy piece that's threatening our knight. With her next move, she slides straight across the board like a rook and captures that threatening piece, clearing the path. Just like that, the immediate danger is gone. Finally, she makes one last short diagonal move to position herself right next to our knight, offering protection and completely turning the tables. In just a few moves, the Queen traveled diagonally, horizontally, and then diagonally again, showcasing her incredible versatility. She went from one side of the board to the other, eliminated a threat, and saved a friendly piece. That's the Queen's secret power, the ability to control the entire board, attack from any direction, and change the course of the game in an instant. So, next time you play chess, remember to protect your Queen, but don't be afraid to use her. She is your most valuable asset and the key to many victories. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more chess tips. See you in the next video.